Hi YouTube. So I decided to make this video about the Sliger 580 case and to share my design and to show my setup. So this is the Sliger case, and I did an ITX build like in the past 2 months and it was really expensive. I live in Israel, and to bring the case here you have to buy it from their site, and the shipping is costly, and the tax and stuff. So it cost a lot more than I expected, but it's okay because I really like it, and I made some adjustment to the case which I wanted to share. So this is the case, okay, with the ITX build is this is a Corsair 750, and this is AMD X3950, and basically that's it. And also on the other side you can see this is the original case plate, and this is after what I did. I will show you in a minute. So in this side I have the Strix overclocked, the 2080 Ti, and what I did is the AIO is really pushed against the side of the case. It was really minor, nothing serious, but it gave me some idea. So I will show you now what I did. I did cut some holes in the metal, and with a plier, and I 3D printed those rings of ABS material and sprayed it with a black color spray, and just like that I have this design which is unique to my my PC, and I really like it. I really like the fact that the fan is not moving, because in the Corsair power supply it's only move if it needs to, okay, if it have to, and most of the time it's just standing still, and I really like it. So first I did this part, and then I made this one. So it was really fun, and I think it looks great. It really adds something to the case. So you can see. So I'm an industrial designer, so I design products, and I really wanted to make something with the case, and this is what I made. I'm thinking about maybe doing the same here, maybe for one fan, maybe for 3 of them, maybe not, I don't know, not right now. Actually, maybe in the future I will show you some of my case design. I decided to design my own ITX case, and I have a manufacturer that I work with here in Israel, and we're thinking about maybe open some website and sell the case. So I still designing it, so it will take some time, but let me know what you think. And that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.